Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm happy to share up and coming and latest Louis Vuitton bags. Of course, I would be sharing to you guys everything that we need to know from prices, product codes, product features, and launch dates. Everything are going to be featured here. So kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availability. Guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Help me reach my 4,000 subbies this year, guys. I would really appreciate it. And kindly like and share this video. Also, please do follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share upcoming Louis Vuitton bags launching March 2023. I will be including prices, features, product codes, and launch dates. Everything you need to know. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availability. Happy shopping, guys! Guys, for today's episode, we are going to discuss the Louis Vuitton x Tyler the Creator collaboration. First, we have the Rush Bum Bag. Price is $2,350. So this one, the color is chocolate, and this is a bum bag style, and the design is the classic new monogram with vachetta leather trims. Then this one is so beautiful. We have the Keepalls bandolier, size 25. Price is €2,600. Still part of the new monogram canvas with color chocolate. It comes with the vachetta or VVN with bag tag and gold hardware. Then we have a new design bag, which is the envelope messenger bag. Price is $3,200. Part of the LV x Tyler collaboration. How are you feeling, guys, of this new monogram canvas print? Is it a yes or no for you? Kindly comment down below. Then another new design bag, we have the envelope pouch. Price is $1,610. It is kind of resembling the Louis Vuitton Fold Me pouch on the women's design bag, but still this is a messenger bag style with vachetta leather strap. This one would be a very rare messenger bag, dog on strap. Price is $2,350. Still part of the chocolate colorway, but the monogram is very little, as you could see, but the entirety of the bag is made of vachetta with detachable leather strap. Then we have this very beautiful pochette voyage supple, so hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Price is $1,400. So this is the soft or slouchy version of the pochette voyage, and it comes with vachetta trims. Then we have the multiple wallet. Price is $650. Guys, by the way, this collaboration with Tyler the Creator would be launching March 21st, 2024, and the pre-orders would be available soon, so kindly contact your CAs ASAP. Then we have the multiple pocket. Price is $520. This one, as you can see, is still in the chocolate colorway with vachetta leather trims. How are you feeling with the softer Louis Vuitton logo with the flowers as well, like this one? Then we have the flat card holder. Price is $330. So this is an SLG of the collection. So if you are just wanting to have a piece of this collection but would not want to break bank, then please do check out the card holders and other SLGs of the collection. Now we have another beautiful DOP kit.
Price is 1,360 USD. This is a toiletry pouch bag with vachetta trims, but they have updated the dop kit design. As you could see, the top handle now comes with a longer vachetta strap. Then of course, we have the very beautiful Keepalls bandolier size 50. Price is only 3,400 USD. SKU is provided. It would come with the vachetta leather trims, it would come with the bag tag, and it would come with gold hardware as well. Then we have the Horizon 55. Price is 3,950. So this is a rolling luggage style with, of course, the chocolate colorway. The size is 50. It comes with vachetta leather trims. Then we have the rolling trunk. So this one, as you could see, so this is another rolling luggage from Louis Vuitton, but this one really looks like the classic Louis Vuitton trunk. So it would also come with 4 wheels and a handle as well. Then we have the Sac Chien. Price is 4,350. Apologies for the mispronunciation. So guys, I am thinking if this is a bag or dog carrier. As you can see, it also comes with a dog zipper pull. So kindly comment down below if I'm getting this incorrectly. Then we have the Cotville size 40. Price is 12,400 USD. We have SKU here. Colorway is chocolate with the classic Louis Vuitton trunk with the very beautiful ballerine pink interior, as you can see here, launching March 21st, 2024. Then we have the Courier Lozine, still part of the collection, and the colorway is chocolate with the classic Louis Vuitton trunk, still launching March 21st, 2024. Then we have the Courier handle trunk. Price is 11,100 USD. We have SKU here. So this is a Louis Vuitton trunk with top handle, and it comes with a fully detachable vachetta strap. Next, we have the Keepalls bandolier size 45. So this is the other colorway of the collection. First, we have the darker one, which is the chocolate, and then we have the lighter one, which is called the vanilla. So this one is a Keepalls size 50 with Vivian strap and bag tag. So among the two, guys, which is your favorite? Would it be the chocolate or would it be the vanilla? Then we have the very beautiful Sac Plat. Price is 3,300 USD. I am so in love with the Sac Plat. As you know, I do have the petite Sac Plat, and hopefully in the future, I would be adding a regular size Sac Plat like this. Then we have the Braza wallet. Price is 940 USD. So we have here, of course, in the vanilla colorway with vachetta leather trim. So this is an SLG with multiple card slots on the inside. This actually, the print of the Louis Vuitton kind of reminds me of the other capsule collection that they had in the past. Then we have the Christopher MM. Price is 3,700 USD. So this is the men's backpack in the vanilla colorway with vachetta leather trims. It would come with multi-pockets, and it would come with, of course, top handle. Then we have the wearable wallet. Price is 2,230 USD. So this is like the new design messenger bag. It's also available in the chocolate colorway as discussed earlier. As you're going to notice, it comes with the envelope style. I believe this is either magnetic type opening. Then we have the nano steamer. Price is 2,720 USD. How beautiful this colorway is. I'm actually also responding to the vanilla colorway. I'm just hoping, unlike with the Murakami with the whiter colorway, it would bleed out from the inside. Then we have the organizer pochette SLG, price at 520 USD. So again, if you are just looking for SLG that would not break bank and would just want to have a part of the capsule collection, then check out the organizer pochette with such affordable price point of 520. Then we have the soft trunk size mini. Price is 3,550 USD. So this is a smaller soft track mini. As you can see, colorway is vanilla with gold hardware. Then we have the Keepalls 50. So this is the third one from the collection. So this is a new the May Bean colorway, and the name of this one is the May Golf. As you could see on the interior, it would come with the pink interior as well. This one come with vachetta with bag tag as well. Then we have the Monterey Messenger bag. So this is a new design bag. Price is 2,660 USD. We have SKU here. Comes with vachetta leather trims that is non-detachable, and it would come with a bag tag as well. Then we have the chest box. So this one is literally a chest box with a top handle. So the colorway is the new May bean print in this green colorway, and once you've opened, you're going to see that it comes with the chest pieces like this. Let's talk about bag charms. First, we have the Eclair key holder. Price of this one is 960 USD. So this is the Eclair bag charm in the chocolate colorway. So you could attach this one to any bags that you want. So aside from the SLG, you would want to check the bag charms as well. Then we have the mic monogram and key holder. So this one is still in the chocolate colorway. As you're noticing on the wheel of the bike, it has the softer Louis Vuitton flowers from the collaboration collection. Then last but not the least, we have the trunk key holder. Price is 885 USD from the chocolate colorway. So as you're going to notice, the different color of the Louis Vuitton flower really stands out with the chocolate colored canvas.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the very beautiful bag selection of LV that we have discussed, did you like anything so far? I would love to hear from you. So kindly comment down below which ones are you adding to your wish list. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a dancing girl emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's the cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!